Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is application of organozinc. We will discuss about their application. What are their application that we are discussing? Organozinc. What important role organozinc play in organic chemistry. So here is the example that our substrate is having carbon halogen bond. Reaction contain two steps. In first step, we have a metal halogen exchange, and in second step, transmetallation takes place. When metal halogen takes place, we have a carbon to bromine bond. Bromine is exchanged by lithium. In first step, when we have a substrate in which carbon to halogen bond is present and we add n-butyl lithium, then halogen is replaced by exchange by lithium. Then we add zinc chloride that undergo transmetallation, so result in the formation of organozinc. This is not a direct method, otherwise we can also use activated zinc under sonolysis. So here organozinc can be react to any electrophilic center. Phenyl iodine leave with electron pair and also can be react with carbonyl carbon. So here aldol reaction takes place. So this is we have prepared organozinc, and then that organozinc reacted with phenyl iodide and also reacted with carbonyl carbon. So these two reactions are examples, applications of organozinc. In first reaction, we have prepared organozinc through two step. In first step, metal halogen takes place, and in second step, transmetallation takes place. And in second reaction, organozinc we have reacted with now organozinc reacted with electrophilic region phenyl iodide. So these two reactions are application of organozinc. In this example, we have a substrate that is having two types of center, electrophilic center. One is carbonyl carbon, and other is carbon to bromine, carbon that bonded with bromine. So two carbons are bonded with bromine. In when we add zinc, then first enolate formation takes place. That first oxidative addition takes place. Zinc adds oxidatively between bromine and carbon, and then enolate formation takes place. Then after enolate formation, bromine is removing and we have a positive charge at the end. So in this substrate, this is a 1,3 dipolar species. One carbon is electron rich and other carbon is electron deficient. This is a 1,3 dipolar species that one carbon is electron deficient and other carbon is electron rich. So this is called a 1,3 dipolar species. So 1,3 dipolar species, after the formation of 1,3 dipolar species, we add it in diene. Here cycloaddition takes place. In cycloaddition, 1,3 dipolar species adds to diene system, and then we have a product, and that product is stable in that conformation. So we have mentioned in this conformation in which our product is stable. So this is the application of organozinc. In next example, we have a 2 carbon to bromine bond in substrate. So when we are interested to form organozinc at that position, so 1 carbon to bromine bond should be protected. So protection takes place through thiophene. Thiophene is that SH group is bonded with benzene ring. When we add base pick up that hydrogen and we have a thiophene oxide. That thiophene oxide, when SN2 reaction takes place, that reacted with that carbon and bromine is leave, and we have a that carbon is protected with thiophene oxide. So now we have a 1 carbon to bromine bond. Then we add zinc, and zinc then oxidatively add between carbon to bromine bond. So we have prepared that organozinc. That organozinc now react to any electrophilic center, any electrophile. Now it reacted with any electrophilic center, and we have prepared our product, our target species we have prepared. So this is the application of organozinc. And next, this is the more important application of organozinc, that polymerization takes place. Here we have a thiophene. When Rike zinc is reacted, Rike zinc then oxidatively adds between any carbon to bromine bond. Here adds, then palladium is added, then transmetallation takes place. That palladium, here transmetallation takes place, that ligand of the zinc is replaced by the ligand of palladium. So then palladium shall react with other bromine. Catalytic site shall be repeating. A large number of units shall combine. So this method adopted for polymerization, in which palladium plays catalytic role. Organozinc also play important role. Generation of polythiophene takes place. So this is the more and more important application of organozinc, that we have a polymerization reaction at the end. Then first of all we add oxidatively zinc between carbon and bromine. Then transmetallation takes place between organozinc and palladium. Then palladium next play a catalytic role, that polymerize thiophene, and we have a polymerization reaction, and the end we have polythiophene. So this is the most important example. So here all these examples are application of organozinc. So this is that lecture about organozinc. Next we will discuss about organozirconium. So these lecture, last lecture and this lecture, these are about organozinc. Any question about organozinc you can discuss in comments, and we'll discuss about that organozinc, all questions. So because organozinc, application of organozincs are more important, that it polymerization takes place through organozinc, transmetallation also takes place. So next, in the next lecture, organozirconium, we will discuss about organozirconium. So this is the lecture of organozinc. Allah Hafiz.